cook a cauliflower fried rice. You're just gonna need 1 bag of the Green Giant riced veggies. Need just a tad of oil to cook everything with. Or 1 egg. The recipe also calls for garlic, and it says a whole full clove, but I just have minced hanging around the house. So just a tablespoon of the minced garlic. And then a lot of recipes call for soy sauce or teriyaki sauce. I actually like to mix both. All right, so if you're a little bit extra like me, you can also add some zucchini diced up. The first step you're gonna need to do is to take the minced garlic and the oil that you have, and you're gonna wanna cook it on medium heat for just a few minutes until the garlic starts turning brown. Baby, I beg you, yeah. Okay, and next, after your garlic and oil have cooked for a few minutes and browned really nicely, you're gonna stick this bag in and stir for about 5 minutes. Baby, I beg you, yeah. While your vegetables are cooking, you're also going to want to take that 1 egg that we had sitting aside earlier, and you're going to want to scramble it with a little bit of butter and salt just so it tastes really good. Take a little bit of soy sauce, and I like to mix in a little bit of teriyaki, and drizzle that over and then stir it all together so that they all mesh well. Then you're going to want to add the scrambled eggs into your vegetables and stir. Baby, I beg you, yeah. You're all finished, and this is the final product. You've got the eggs and the zucchini and the fried rice, and it smells amazing, let me just tell you. The real thing is always better, and so I'm kind of nervous. This is the first time I've made this, so let's see. So good. You can't even taste that it's cauliflower. It literally tastes like the soy and the teriyaki and all the flavors. So if you're looking for a really easy way to cut your carbs and cut your sugars and stuff, I highly recommend this. This tastes really good. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. If you like this recipe and if you think you wanna try it out, let me know how it goes for you. I'm gonna also link the recipe down below and you can follow along, and I will hit you guys up later.
I lost my shoes last night. I don't know where I put my keys.